It's Pamela LaLuz, the alchemist of sound, and I can tell you I have dreamed of this day, dreamed of us being able to come together as a collective, as a crystalline collective, to celebrate love, to celebrate unification, and to do that on the crystalline waves of sound that amplify the light potent in our body, that also align with the crystalline core of our DNA, the water content of our blood, and also our bones, the structure of our bones. And so I'm going to be playing all these heart frequencies and pineal tones. And I have such a treat for you today because I have two super grades in the pineal that are binaurals that will create that other note. Do you feel it? Do you hear it? It's in the center of your brain right now. And we're going to add the heart coherence and even this triangle pyramid is in the pineal. So as we all come together all around the globe, let's move into the center core of our hearts. Moving into the heart and then grounding it in the root with the diamond frequencies, where we access all of ourselves, the entire essence of who we are, bringing together the light and the dark in an alchemy of love, loving it all free, knowing it's all a gift. And we come together even at this time in 2020 that has been really difficult, but embrace what has been good and the gifts that are coming as we ascend into a new understanding on this mountaintop as we have a different perspective. Calling in all of our brothers and sisters all around the globe, calling in love for everyone and everything. Everything is energy and frequency. May we see the divine in everything. Calling in the golden light of the central sun, may it illuminate us from the inside out. May we know that we are truly worthy and divine. We are the gold. We are the chalice of the light and the divine consciousness that is coming through each one of us, moving through the central column.